National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ferry County in northeastern Washington, north central Stevens County in northeastern Washington until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:32 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 13 miles east of Sherman Pass, or 63 miles east of Bomac, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Kettle Falls, Marquess, Davis Lake, Boyce, Evans, and Marble. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If on or near Lake Roosevelt, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Ferry, and Stevens. The 3 p.m. observation.
Co-host for the day. Ian Marie.
So we can.
What year is it?